Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up an automatic reply in Outlook. This is useful if you're on vacation, away from work, or simply want to let people know that you're not available to respond right away. Let's get started. First, search Outlook in your browser and open the Outlook website. And once you're logged in, click the gear icon or the settings in the top right corner. Next, select Account Settings, and here you'll find Automatic Replies option. Click on it, then toggle on Automatic Replies. You can now type your custom message like this. And after done typing your message, you can also set the time range if you only want replies to be sent during specific dates. And once done, click Save, and your auto reply is now active. And that's it. You successfully set up an automatic reply in Outlook. Now, anyone who emails you will get a custom message while you're away. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.